Hi learners, hope you all are doing very well. So, let's start today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn the name of 10 aquatic animals, which means animals that live in water. We will also get to know the spellings and the correct pronunciation along their names. Number 1. Octopus. O C T O P U S. Octopus. Number 2. Snail. S N A I L. Snail. Number 3. Dolphin. D O L P H I N. Dolphin. Number 4. Crab. C R A B. Crab. Number 5. Lobster. L O B S T E R. Lobster. Number 6. Squid. S Q U I D. Squid. Number 7. Otter. O T T E R. Otter. Number 8. Oyster. O Y S T E R. Oyster. Number 9. Seal. S E A L. Seal. Number 10. Seahorse. S E A H O R S E. Seahorse. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned to learn more. If this video seems helpful to you, share with others. Now have a good day.